Hey, happy Tuesday, 8th graders. I just want to start off today with a couple words of encouragement. First of all, from Hebrews 13, verse 8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Maybe you feel like there's been a lot of changes in your life lately, doing online learning at home, worshiping at home. Maybe your parents are home from work, your siblings are everywhere. The news is always changing and updating, and it just seems kind of uncertain and always changing. Well, Hebrews reminds us that Jesus never changes. And everything that's happening right now, it does not surprise him. He is in control. And because of that, we can put our full hope in him, our full trust in him, and we have pure joy even in the midst of unchanging times because we know our Savior never changes. I just want to thank you for sharing that hope and that light and that truth with the residents at the Inn at Westport. Hopefully you saw my email that I forwarded to you from Kathy Scott from the Inn. She just said that the residents are loving the emails, the letters, and there are more coming because I know you didn't all send them on the first day, and she's so thankful. So way to go. Good job, Chargers. You may have also participated in the One Sioux Falls activity this evening at 9 o'clock, where the town was lit up just to show our unification and our support, especially of our medical workers. So if you know a medical worker, make sure you give them a hug or a high five and thank them for all that they're doing. Yesterday, we focused in on Washington's trouble on the home front with the Whiskey Rebellion. He came in, he squashed that rebellion, he used force to maintain order. In today's lesson on page 254 and 255, he is going to face challenges with foreign nations, and he is going to kind of make a stance on that too. There are 3 learning targets for today, and I want you to look for them as you watch the video and as you read the book. Here they are. First of all, in the midst of a conflict between Britain and France, they both want the United States on their side. But Washington issues a proclamation of neutrality. In other words, he says the way we're going to handle foreign affairs is we're going to stay out of it. Okay. Learning target number 2. In attempt to keep the peace, the United States is a part of 2 important treaties today, Jay's Treaty with Britain and Pinckney's Treaty with Spain. So I want you to listen carefully and watch carefully, read carefully for the details of those 2 treaties. And then afterwards, at the end of 8 years of service, George Washington decides to retire, not run for a third term. He sets a precedence even in that. He thinks that that's probably long enough for a president to serve. The third learning target is for you to listen for the 2 pieces of advice that he leaves the young nation. All right, so in your assignment, those are the things that you will be looking for. So let's quickly look at that. Watch this video, use this login, not your Google login, fill in those notes centered around the 3 learning targets of today. Read these 2 pages. Please read carefully. I think some of you are going quickly through that. Answer the questions as you read. Bold or change your font color. Again, they're over the 3 learning targets of today. The 7th question asks you to give a definition of these 2 words and a graphic of these 2 words. Remember how we do graphics. We go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. So you can pop in 2 graphics that show the meaning of these words in this context. And then finally, the last thing that I want you to do is I want you to write out Hebrews 13 verse 8 on an index card, a sticky note, a piece of construction paper, whatever you have in your home, and then hang it in your room, or set it on your dresser, or put it on the fridge with a magnet, whatever. And then using the camera, take a picture of it, insert it right into this document. So you'll just go to Insert, Image, Camera, and then you'll insert it and it will pop up right down here. Just another reminder of why we can trust in him. It's good to have those reminders in front of us at all times. All right. Know, Chargers, that you are loved and appreciated, and that I am so proud of your work. So keep it up. Text me or email me with questions, or stop by my Google Meet. I'd love to chat. Have a great Tuesday. Do your best.